Do you think you can wait until you find a house to talk to a lender? That's a huge mistake. Experience warns that the process can take weeks, meaning you could lose your dream home to someone else while you wait. Here's why you need to get pre-approved now. Hello, I'm Frank Kenny with Living in Los Angeles South Bay, and today we're going to talk about why pre-approval is the ultimate power move for home buyers. Look, finding the right home feels exciting, but being pre-approved for your loan is what makes it possible. Whether you're planning to buy soon or just thinking about it, getting a pre-approval is one of the best moves you can make, and it's free. And here's why. First is, what is pre-approval really? A pre-approval is much more than a guess. It means a lender has reviewed for finances, things like your income, assets, credit score, debts, and savings, and told you how much they're willing to let you borrow for your loan. It's basically a reality check for your home search, so you can make sure it aligns with your budget and shop confidently when you're ready to go. 2. Getting your mortgage pre-approved is a power move, especially right now. The housing market has been shifting lately, and with mortgage rates moving, prices moderating, and inventory rising. So knowing what you're working with in the current market is a big reason why pre-approval matters. Here's what it gives you. First of all, we have clarity. You'll know what you can afford before you fall in love with a house that's potentially out of reach, or worse, miss out on one only because you didn't do your homework. Second would be confidence. Sellers will take your offer seriously when they see you are pre-approved because you're not a risky buyer. Most sellers won't waste time with a buyer that hasn't been pre-approved or show they are paying all cash for their home. Next is control. If rates come down and you want to jump on the moment, you're already a step ahead with your plan and will be positioned to take advantage of any last-minute rate reductions. As Experian explains, you'll want to make sure you receive your pre-approval letter before you start looking at homes so you can submit a strong offer as soon as you find what you want. The process can take anywhere from a day to a few weeks, so if you procrastinate, you may lose out to a competing offer. And once you find a home you want to put an offer on, your pre-approval has another big perk. It's not only making your offer stronger, it shows sellers you've undergone a credit and financial check. Sellers don't like waiting on buyers, especially when they have competing offers to consider. As Greg McBride, Chief Financial Analyst at Bankrate, says, a pre-approval carries more weight because it means lenders have actually done more than a cursory review of your credit and your finances, but you have instead reviewed your pay stubs, tax returns, and bank statements. A pre-approval means you've cleared the hurdles necessary to be approved for a mortgage up to a certain dollar amount. Translation, pre-approval helps you make stronger, more informed decisions, and it helps you avoid missing out on a home or getting stuck on the sidelines when the right one does hit the market. Because the reality is, competition might be slightly lower at the beginning of the year, but desirable homes, especially the ones that are priced well, still sell quickly. Number 3, don't wait until you're ready. Think of it this way. Pre-approval doesn't mean you're buying a house tomorrow. It just means you'll be ready when the time comes. And most pre-approvals are good for 60 to 90 days and can be refreshed easily if your plans change. So here's a good place to start. Ask yourself this question. If the perfect home came along today, would I be ready to make an offer? If your answer is not quite, then pre-approval is your next step. So what's the bottom line here? Getting a mortgage pre-approval doesn't box you in. It opens doors. It actually makes things easier for you. In today's market, buyers who win aren't the ones who wait. They're the ones who plan ahead and do their homework. So if you're even thinking about buying a house in the next few months, get ahead of the game by connecting with your realtor and a trusted lender. They'll help you understand how the process works and will walk you through every step along the way, so when the right home does pop up, you're ready. Alternatively, contact me. I'll answer all of your questions and make sure you are pointed in the right direction for your circumstances in today's market. Please like and subscribe so you're guaranteed to get all of our current helpful videos, and please feel free to share these useful videos with your family and your friends. Well, this is Frank Kenny with Living in Los Angeles South Bay, and I'll see you on the next video.